Hello and welcome to Simon Says Artwork. In this video I'm going to be painting a landscape, and this is a local landscape to me. It's St Mary's Chapel and Well, and it's on a private land on a farm, so I was very fortunate to be allowed access there. So yeah, let's get started. For this painting I am using acrylic paint, blue, yellow, red and white. And as you can see, I've just drawn out the outline of the chapel. It's obviously a dilapidated structure, so there's no roof and lots of overgrown grass and reeds and things. So I'm just starting to apply a lot of warm tones, but you can see the purple on the top right, and trying to work in some of the trees and things like that. Now, I didn't seem to capture when I started doing the sky, but just picking up the next day, and you can see this is natural light, and I'm just going into this darker area to add certain subtle tones to show different shapes inside of the shadow, and then adding bits of details to the bricks there and bits of texture, which I think work quite nicely. And it's just always a patchwork of marks and then cutting in on those marks again. I think that overall I quite like this painting. I remember that the next day I took it to the people who own the farm, because I wanted it to be a gift to them for allowing me access to the property. And they really liked the painting. You can see I'm losing the natural light here. So this is where I'm painting in the dark, but all of the details have really been added, and I think it works quite nicely. But that's how it looks, and it's one of very few which I've made. Okay, that is the painting done. Now, I must admit it's not what I planned it being. I never really plan out the finish, so I'm always quite surprised with how I end up leaving a painting, and sometimes I like certain aspects and other times I find more critical points with it. There are certain aspects of this that I think I could have improved, certain parts which are more soft and less rendered than I'd like them to be, but on the whole I do quite like there being a bit more specific work done in certain areas than others, because that does make it an interesting balance on a piece. And also I quite like the colours that I managed to get. At least I had a balance of some purple tones and some nice creams there, and there is a likeness to the area, but it's also loose enough that it stayed impressionistic. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.